There are different type of registers that you can use for operations like cut, copy, paste, recording macros, and so on. Some are read only and some you can modify. Let's see about named registers. You can use lowercase alphabets A to Z to save content for future use. If you want to append some content, use the uppercase version. If you want to copy this line to the A register, you have to type double quote A followed by the command to copy. So YY will copy that line. So now the A register will have this line. Let me copy this line to B register. So double quote B and YY. Now let's verify that these lines are copied to A and B registers. So double quote A followed by P. It should paste the content of A register. If I use double quote B and P, it pastes this line. Now let us append this paragraph to A register. So A register already has this line, and if I append this paragraph, it should totally have 5 lines. So double quote uppercase A. To copy this entire paragraph, I can use text object selection Y I P. So you can see 4 lines yanked into uppercase A register. Now let me paste lowercase a, so it should have 5 lines. So double quote A and P. So you can see 5 more lines have been pasted. So initially I copied only single line and later I appended this paragraph using the uppercase version. If you want to see the contents of these registers, you can use the command line mode command reg, which is short for registers. If you specify one or more characters next to each other as a single string, then you will see contents for only those registers. So let us try reg and A and B. So you can see whatever content we copied in A and B are displayed. We'll see about macros later. You can use macros to clear a register. So the command Q followed by register name and again Q. This will record an empty macro. So this allows you to clear a particular register. So that was about named registers. And there are a lot of other types of registers. We'll see some of them here. So double quote by itself is the default unnamed register. All your yanked and deleted text is stored in this register. So for example, if you delete this line by using dd and if you use the command p to paste it, so what happens is this line gets saved in the unnamed register, and when you use p, it is actually executing double quote p. Similarly, there are other special purpose registers. So if you just yank only the yanked text, that will be stored in the 0 register. So let's say I copy this line and let's say I delete this line. Now if I just use P, you will see that deleted line is pasted. Instead, if I use the 0 register, it should give me the last yanked content. So double quote 0p. So you can see this line was the last yanked content, and you can get that using the 0 register. The registers 1 to 9 will save deleted contents. So the register 1 has contents of the last deletion, register 2 has last but one deletion, and so on till the 9th register. So let's delete this line, and then let's delete this line as well. So 2 lines I have deleted. If I use double quote 1p, it should give me the last deleted line. So double quote 1p, and if I use double quote 2p, it should give me last but one deletion. So you can see last but one deletion, and so on till 9 registers. If you want to work with system clipboard contents, then you can use the plus register. So let me copy this word into the plus register, double quote plus. So to copy a word, I can use YIW. So now let me try to paste this word into some other application. So this is another terminal. So if I paste, so you can see this clipboard content can be accessed. And if I want to paste some content from clipboard, then I can use double quote plus P. So let me write some text. I'll highlight that and let me copy that. So if I use double quote plus and P, it should paste apple to the right of this cursor. So you can see the copied content to clipboard was pasted. If you use the star register, this works with selected text. So let's say I select some text. You can then paste it using double quote star P. So double quote star P. So this selected text is pasted. So this will work even from another application as well. So let me type something else. And now let me just highlight this. So I'm just highlighting it. I'm not copying it or anything. And now if I use double quote star P, so you can see that content is pasted. So plus is for system clipboard content and star is for visually selected text. Another register which you might find helpful is the black hole register. So let me delete this line. Okay. And now if I use P, it should paste that deleted line. Undo that. Instead, now if I use the black hole register, then it will not be saved anywhere. So let me delete this line, but I will use double quote underscore and then use DD. Now if I use P, it should give me the last saved register. So that should be the previous line I deleted, because the latest line which I deleted was put into the black hole register. This is usually used in Vim scripts, plugins, and so on. For more details, go through the registers topic. So this is where we started. There are different type of registers, and you can see all the details in this reference manual.